Right, the next graph is called the circle. But you must note that circle is not a function, because as it is, when you look at the function, I must use a vertical line test to test whether it is a function. It should cut the graph at one point. But when we use this test is called a vertical line test. It cuts the graph into 2 points. Therefore, it is not a function. But we can restrict it so that it becomes a function. Remember, the equation of this circle would be y is equals to plus or minus square root of r squared minus x squared. It combines both the positive part. Remember, we take graph y. So when you say the graph is positive, this y positive. This y this side is negative, so the graph is negative this side. So both of them are combined together. But if you separate them, you might have a graph like this one. A graph like this one. It's half circle, semicircle. Once we include the semicircle, then it becomes a function. Because when we use a vertical line test, it cuts the graph at only 1 point. So is the other one. If I have it in this way, and I use a vertical line test, it will cut the graph at 1 point. Therefore, a circle can be restricted such that it becomes a function. Now, what will be the equation of this one? It will be the positive part, which will be y is equals to square root of r squared minus x squared. This next one would be equals to y is equals to, this is the negative part, negative square root of r squared minus x squared. Take note, if it is together, it's not a function, but it can be restricted in this two ways such that it becomes a circle. It's the very same thing, finding the equation. When you're looking for the equation of a circle, r squared. You find it the same way in Pythagoras. Thank you.